So in this today's video, we are going to understand about a scheme which is under Government of India, where you are going to get a reimbursement for your ISO 9000 and ISO 14001 certification for your company. Okay, and this is going to be a very great initiative. So we're going to understand about the scheme in detail. Welcome to Leansimcorp. In a new series on FinTech, we are going to understand different concepts of finance, schemes, loans and a lot of different stuffs related to businesses and companies. Okay, so this is our first video on this. Let us understand about the scheme in detail. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share it with friends. Don't forget to visit our website leansimcorp.com. Are you looking for simulation support and simulation training? Visit leansimcorp.com, and here you will be getting different support related to Flexsim Simulation and related to Flexsim training. Do not forget to be a member of Leansimcorp and get exciting member benefits starting from Flexsim tutorials to different modules and much more. So visit now leansimcorp.com and be a member. So basically when we talk about ISO 9001 and ISO 14001, these certifications are related to quality which you must have in your company. If you're going to get an upper hand towards your delivery of the product, getting the customers and clients. SME has emerged as a dynamic and vibrant sector and is contributing significantly to industrial production, export and employment generation. The process of economic liberalization and market reforms have opened up Indian SMEs to global competition, and hence there is a need to upgrade the quality we are going to deliver in our products, and hence the government of India has raised this initiative scheme for technological upgrade, quality improvement and environmental management. The scheme provides initiative to those SMEs, or you can say ancillary undertakings, who have acquired ISO 9000, ISO 14000, HACCP certifications. They have already acquired. Now the scheme is enlarged so as to include reimbursement of expenses required, or your company whichever has spent the expenses to acquire the ISO certification 14001, that is going to get reimbursed, and that is a good news. Now, what is the nature of assistance? We'll just understand with the help of the scheme. So the scheme envisages the reimbursement of the charges for acquiring ISO 9000, ISO 14001, HACCP certification to the extent of 75% of the expenditure, subject to maximum of rupees 75,000 in each case. Okay. If you want more information on this, or you need assistance on this, do drop us your email. You can contact us from our website contact us page. You can drop us from our email and mention that in the description below. You can also put your questions in the comment section below of this video. That is going to help us reach out to multiple people. Or you can also join our group, which is a WhatsApp community held out there, which is industrial engineering community, artificial intelligence community on WhatsApp. You can join out there for us. Now, we came to know that the maximum amount which is going to get reimbursed is going to be 75,000. Now, who can apply to this? The permanent registered micro and small enterprises (MSEs) are eligible to avail this incentive scheme. The scheme is applicable to those MSEs, ancillary, SSSSP units who have already acquired the certifications. You should already have a certifications in order to initiate a reimbursement for this. Now, how to apply this? MSMEs with their EM number are required to submit the application duly completed to the local director MSME DI address given in the following website. You can apply that. So this is about all about knowing about the scheme of ISO 9001 and 14001 scheme for MSEs related to reimbursement. Let us know how this video was for you. Definitely if it added value to you, please do hit a like, share it with friends, share it with your company friends, the founders, the startups, and don't forget to subscribe to Leansimcorp. See you then in the next video. Till then, keep watching Leansimcorp. Bye bye.